This is the all-new Osight SE 6 MOA that was sent over to me to check out and make this video. I'm going to give you guys a close-up look at this red dot, go over the features, and let you look through the glass so that you can see if this is right for you. Let's get into it. Let's start off with what comes in the box. Obviously, you're going to get the red dot. You're going to get a phenomenal screw kit. So guys, Osight sent me over the Osight SE multiple reticle, and I've got that mounted on top of a G43X MOS. If you know anything about the Glocks, you know on the right side, you need a shorter screw for that side. Well, this screw kit here was perfect right out of the box. They've got the perfect size screws, no modifications needed to put this on top of a Glock. They give you a multi-tool here. This is for mounting the red dot as well as for adjusting your turrets. And they even give you a spare battery compartment screw. You're going to get a detailed user manual with a lens cleaning cloth. You're going to get some zeroing instructions as well as some stickers. So here's a close-up look at this red dot, guys. Again, Osight sent me over the Osight SE that has the 3 reticles in there. Now that one only has a 2 MOA dot, the 2 MOA circle and dot, and the circle only. This here is simplified. This here just has a 6 MOA red dot. So this here is going to be more suitable for your carry option versus the more precision 2 MOA dot that's probably more suitable for competitive shooting and precision shooting. So guys, this here has a very easy to use controls. You've got 2 buttons here, one for increasing and decreasing the brightness on your reticle. There's no changing reticle on this one here, so this one here is only for your illumination settings. You've got some rear sights here that are built into the housing, kind of backup sights. If for whatever reason your dot goes down, if you have suppressor height sights, you can co-witness with that. You've got flush mounted turrets, so when you're out running and gunning, you're not going to disturb your zero once you get it all set in there. And then you've got a removable battery there. You got this tray here, you got a screw. Take that screw out, change out the coin style battery, pop it back in, and you're back up and running. Now this here is the RMSC footprint, so this here again is going to fit on the Glock 43X MOSs, the Glock 48 MOSs, your Hellcats P365, stuff like that. Again, I have this here mounted on my Glock 43X MOS, and I carry that every day. I bet my life on this here, and so these here are phenomenal optics in my opinion. So guys, let's put this up on the wall now. I got a dartboard up. I'm going to give you a quick look at the reticle against the target, so you guys can see if this is right for you or not. All right, guys, so that dartboard is about 5 yards away, and right now that dot is at maximum brightness. So as you can see, that 6 MOA dot is perfect. For your CCW, you want a nice size dot that you can pick up quickly and get on target so that you can get out of dodge. And so this does have 10 brightness settings, so you got 8 daytime and 2 night vision. See if we can go down with these here without losing focus here. There we go. That's all the way down. And we're back all the way up, and as you can see, it does give you a blink there to let you know that you're at maximum value. So perfect for the CCW. So there you have it, guys. If you're looking for a simple yet reliable enclosed red dot for your compact CCW, I highly recommend this Osight SE6 MOA. I hope this helps.